back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our first cash stuffing for May, and we're going to be stuffing $612. I have the money right here. Let's go get set up real quick. Okay guys, I'm back. So now we can start the stuffing. I always start off with my cash envelopes. Right now we're just gonna do a little flip through because I know I have some dollars that I saved. Just put them in this little pocket because I didn't really have a place to put them. It's just $2, nothing big. I'm gonna put this right here. Okay, so if any of you guys are wondering, this is what my notebook looks like. I just put down all my categories and I put down all the money that needs to be stuffed in each one. And I just keep it like that, real simple. I'm just gonna put that right there and then we can get to stuffing. Spending is our first envelope. That always gets $80, and since I'm bi-weekly, I try to say that, you know, $40 for spending I allow myself every week. So I'm going to do this in, I always do it in 20s, but I'm gonna do something different today. So I wanted to do a 20. I think I'm doing it's two 20s, two 10s, and I think 4 5s. It's one too many 5s. Okay, so we can count this to double check. And I like to keep smaller bills, especially in my cash envelopes, because it just makes it easier instead of having big bills and having to break them. So I should have $80. So this is 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So we just put this in here. Okay, so for toiletries, I let this money roll over like I said. We're just gonna put this aside, and toiletries usually gets $25. So it's a 20 and a 5. But I forgot that I have this left over. So I added 25 and I have 25, 30, 1, 2. So now I have $32 for toiletries. Okay, groceries, actually I upped the amount because I didn't put enough last paycheck, and it really bit me in the butt, and I didn't like it. I needed to go grocery shopping and I didn't allow myself enough money. So before I used to not spend on groceries, and now I do, so I'm gonna have to switch up how much I'm putting in groceries. So I put that we're putting $55 now in groceries, and for this I believe I did, I'm pretty sure I did a 20, let me see, I did a 20, 2 10s, it was 20, 30, 40, 5, 55. I think it was like this, I'm pretty sure. So let me get this organized. Anyways, you know, I should count this again because I was really tripping. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. So that's $55 in groceries. If I mess up, it's okay. Anyways, so for restaurants, that gets $30. In restaurants, I kind of did this a little crazy. So I did 10, 2 5s, and 10 ones actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. I did 10 ones, y'all. And so that's 10, 15, 20, should be 30, guys. So that's 20 right here. 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. So that's $30 for restaurants. And I like to, like I said, I wanted to do the cash envelopes a little bit more like with smaller bills, because I was just finding it hard to break big bills and it was getting on my nerves. So instead I'm giving myself hella ones and hella fives, and you know what, that's okay. Clothing, I do let this roll over, so put that right here. Clothing is $15 and it's just regular 10 and a 5. It's not a big deal. So I did spend out of this envelope, but it's okay. So that is a 10 and a 5. So for clothing, I have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, offering needs some because it was the end of the month and it's gone. So I like to do offering, instead of a $10 bill, I do 2 5s because it makes it easier for me. So that's 2 5s in offering. So this is the fun part. The coins, I actually did end up getting the coin jar. If you watched my last video, I was debating, but I got it. And I feel like it was a good purchase because, I mean, instead of just staring at a jar full of coins, not knowing how much is in there, you know, it's nice that we get to keep track. So I did accumulate a lot of coins, and this is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna have to fast forward, but these are all the coins that I got, and this is all change, guys. Like, it's a lot. So just gonna put this in here, and I don't know if you guys could see, but it counts. Yeah, it counts like how many coins. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna fast forward, and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, that took forever, but it says we have $11.04 saved just in coins. So that's good. Okay, so my cash envelopes be looking a little thick, but that's okay. It's a fine, you know, it just makes my life 10 times easier when I have smaller bills. So moving on to my white binder. I always start off with my mom. So my mom gets $20 this week. So that's a $20 bill. I need to be updating this. So I'm going to be adding $20. So she has $20 left. Okay, fun is empty. And I actually left this open. So fun is getting $25. $25. Okay, and rent is, I mean, it's here because I know I'm gonna take it out soon. Well, not soon, but in the future. But it's not so far in the future that I need to put it as a sinking fund because it's rent. So right now, that's why there's money still in here. I have $100. So for rent, we're going to be putting $30. So that is 20 and a 10. So now we have $130. Okay, so health is getting 15. So it's a 10 and a 5. So damn, I'm all over the place. Oh, it has a 1. You have a 1 in here, guys. Okay, so since I'm adding we're gonna count right now how much we have. So 10, 20, 25, $31 for health. And this was a new envelope. I added it, I think, last paycheck. Or I think, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it was last paycheck. And this is basically for like when I need my contacts, I'm able to pay for them on my own because before I wasn't paying for them. So cosmetics gets $15. So let me see. I don't think oh yeah, I did. So 15, that's 25. $25 in cosmetics now. So gifts, actually, I spent from this envelope because it was Mother's Day, and I bought my mom a little gift. So we're gonna be adding $10 for gifts. So it's 10. Well, y'all like how I grabbed that? That was funny. Okay. So now I have $50. some gifts. Next is auto insurance. And right now I don't have a car, but I'm still saving. It should be a sinking fund, but at the same time, it's like when I do get a car, I'm gonna have to take it out anyway, so I'm gonna just keep it in here. So for auto insurance, that's getting $25, so I'm adding 25. It's a 20 and a 5. So I have 125, 30. 130 now. So next is gas, and this is actually empty because I did spend some in gas. So that's getting $10. And I know I don't have a car, but I helped my boyfriend with gas, which is why it's empty. So I'm adding $10 and I have 10. Okay, so next is phone, and that's also $10. So I have 20, 30, $40. So taxes, I put a low amount in here. It's getting $5. So it's getting $5. So just put a $5 bill, and now it has 20, 25, 30. Retirement's empty because I finally made my first transfer to my Roth IRA, and as well as investing. And since retirement, I always try to put $100 in here per paycheck. Since I'm bi-weekly, that accumulates to $200 a month. See right here, it says I did my deposit. So I'm adding $100, and that's the $100 bill. So I'm putting this in retirement, which means I now have $100. So I'm basically starting new for the month. So that's it for my white binder. Okay guys, I don't know what just happened, but it didn't even record any of my sinking funds. But I'm gonna be stuffing $27 in savings. So it's 25, 6, and 7 in savings. Emergency fund is getting, let me see. Oh, it's getting $25. So it's a 20 and a 5. So we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 10. I mean, well, yeah, 5 and 10. So we have 110 in emergency funds. Christmas, I think Christmas gets $25, so that's a 20 and a 5. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Wait, sorry. 20, 40, 60. These bills. 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. So 100 in Christmas. And cart maintenance gets $10. So on cart maintenance we have 20, 30, 45. And for wedding, this is getting $20, 20, 40, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3. So it's $73 in wedding. Okay, so for home, home is supposed to be getting $15. So adding 15. So that is a 10 and a 5. So for home we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. So let me write this down. $60 now in home. And for travel, travel is $10. So that's 20, 35. So I have 35 now in travel. Okay, so for our savings, we have the leftover $2 that we saved from our cash envelopes. Yeah, oh my god. Am I keeping track? I think I am. So I'm adding 2, which means I should have 5. These are some raggedy ones, guys. Look at this. And unfortunately, we didn't get any 5s saved for our $5 challenge. So we're not stuffing that one. But that is it for the sinking funds. So that's it for my cash envelope stuffing, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't watched my setting up video for the month of May, I recommend you guys do watch it. It's a short little video. You guys could go watch it and see how much I have saved so far for April. So April, I counted all of the cash that I had in my sinking funds. And at the end of this month, May, we're going to be doing it again, but just counting how much we ended up with and how much we contributed in the month of May. So if you guys are interested, you guys could go watch that. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.